Starting off with a boost of priming spray. Next, with my new purple primer from Laneige, I'm just going to apply that all over my face. This is a new primer that I've been trying on so far and I quite like it. It has a satin finish and it corrects all my yellow undertones. To prep for foundation, I'm just going to spritz Fix Plus all over my face. With my trusty Chanel CC cream, I'm just going to apply that all over my face using an air puff. I really love this CC cream as it has skincare benefits and it brightens and evens out my skin tone, giving it a more luminous and healthy complexion. To color correct my red acne scars, I'm going to just apply some green color corrector. Next, I'm just going to cover all that with a concealer that I've been trying out recently, which is famous for covering acne scars. I'm liking it so far, just that the lightest shade is a little too dark for my skin tone. Time for brows. With short and light strokes, I'm just going to gently fill my brows in. And using the spoolie on the other end, I'm just going to brush and blend everything so it all comes together. Okay, time for the eyes. I'm just applying some eyeshadow primer onto my lids so that the eyeshadow can stay in place all night long. To start off, I'm just going to use the shade Lie Low and apply that all over my lids, bringing it into the crease. To add some depth, I'm going to use the shade Blanche Cloud 9 and applying it all over my lid. As I intend for this look to be a night look, I'm using the shade Low and Behold, applying that all over to my lids to add more depth. Now time for sparkles. Using a flat brush so the eyeshadow will adhere better, I'm using the shade Brownie Points and applying that all over my lids. As I want this look to have more reds in it, I have decided to use a matte red eyeshadow to deepen the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm just going to bring that same matte red eyeshadow down to the outer corners of my lower lash line. And then on the rest of my lower lash line, I'll be applying the shade All in All. And to brighten the inner corners of my eyes, I'll be using the shade La Di Da. I put on some eyeliner and some false eyelashes, and now I'm just applying some lash primer, and then I'm going to apply some mascara onto my bottom lashes. Now to color correct my under eyes, I'm just applying a peach color corrector. And then to conceal them, I'm going to apply some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and blend all of that out. Okay, time for contour, and I'm going to start by bringing the contour down the sides of my face and along my jawline. This will help create an illusion of a shadow and thus a smaller looking face. I'm also going to bring the contour down my cheekbones, and this will help create a more uplifted looking face. And also bringing the contour down the sides of my nose bridge for a more defined looking nose. And for blush, today I am applying the Blanche Cloud 9 eyeshadow from the Hocus Pocus eyeshadow palette. And for highlighter, I'm applying the Extra Dimension Skinfinish in Cold Comfort. It is a cool tone, very light lavender with a pearl finish. It is super pretty and I adore it. Oh my god. I'm also applying that highlighter on my brow bones on top of the highest point of my brows, down the bridge of my nose and on my chin. And finally, because I don't powder my face, I'm going to be using a lot of setting spray. Here I'm using the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face and also the Cover FX Daily Setting Spray. Finally, moving on to my lips, here I'm just going to outline my lips with a lip liner, so applying the liquid lipstick will be easier. And today's choice of liquid lipstick is the Stunner Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty in the shade Underdawg. It is super pretty, I love it. It is my current favorite Fenty Beauty product. And to top all of it off, I'm just using MAC's Fix Plus and a setting spray by Catrice.